DispairRepair.com. Hi everyone, welcome to DispairRepair.com. Now we're going to show you how to recharge a flat car battery. So once you've taken the battery out of the car, you'll need a battery charger. This is the most common type of battery chargers. You'll find 3 cables coming for it. 1 cable is for the power supply and 2 cables are for the battery. On the battery charger, you'll find the gauge which shows you how much the battery is empty. The first thing you do is take the connectors for the battery. You'll find that one is red and one is black. The red one goes on the plus and the black one goes on minus. So the red on plus, the black on minus. You'll also find markings on the battery which is plus, which is minus, so you probably won't be able to mix them up. After that, push the plug into the socket and the battery is starting to recharge. If the battery is okay, it will probably take 10 to 12 hours for the battery to get fully charged. When the battery is fully charged, do the reverse procedure. Okay, so first take the plug out of the socket first, take the minus connector off and the plus connector off. So here's a few more recommendations when recharging the battery. Watch the charger gauge. If it shows that the battery is fully charged in less than 1 hour, that's a sure sign that the battery is dead and you'll have to buy a new one. Do not do the recharging procedure inside the household. Fumes appear during the recharging procedure that can be harmful. It would be best to do the recharging in the garage, shed or otherwise. This goes double for batteries that allow maintenance, since you can take off the battery cell lids. Check the electrolyte level. That's the liquid that's inside the battery. This goes only for batteries that allow maintenance, where you can take the battery lids off and check the electrolyte level. If the electrolyte is not covering the battery cells, add some distilled water, not tap water. A no maintenance battery is meant to be recharged without checking the electrolyte level. When the charging is finished, let the battery cool down a bit. If you touch the battery after charging, you'll feel that the battery is warm. Leave it for about half an hour and then reinstall. This goes double for no maintenance batteries, since most of them have no ventilation for the fumes that appear during the recharging process. At the end, clean the battery poles and terminals before reinstalling. We hope this video was helpful. If you liked it, please click the subscribe button. For more information on how to do checkups and simple repairs around the car, be sure to visit us at DispairRepair.com.